What if everything you have ever known, every star you see, every galaxy that exists, even time itself, is happening inside a black hole? Not somewhere far away. Not in another universe. But this universe. Our universe. Welcome to Information World. Imagine standing at the edge of reality, where physics breaks down and our understanding of space and time begins to collapse. For decades, black holes were seen as cosmic monsters, regions of space so dense that nothing, not even light, can escape. They were the ultimate dead ends of the universe. But modern physics has begun to ask a shocking question: what if black holes are not endings at all? What if they are beginnings? What if our entire universe was born inside a black hole that exists in another universe? This idea sounds like science fiction, but it is taken seriously by real physicists and cosmologists. It emerges naturally from Einstein's equations, quantum mechanics, and the strange behavior of gravity at extreme scales. To understand this possibility, we must rethink everything we believe about space, time, and reality itself. Let us begin with black holes. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. The matter compresses into an incredibly small point called a singularity, surrounded by an invisible boundary known as the event horizon. Once something crosses that boundary, it can never return. From the outside, black holes appear simple. They have mass, spin, and charge. But inside, they are anything but simple. According to classical physics, the singularity is a point of infinite density where space and time completely break down. The laws of physics stop working. Infinity appears in the equations, and that usually means our theories are incomplete. This is where things get interesting. Some physicists believe that singularities do not actually exist in reality. Instead, they may be artifacts of incomplete theories. When quantum mechanics is combined with gravity, the infinite collapse might be replaced by something else, something far more extraordinary. Instead of collapsing into nothing, matter might rebound. This idea is called a black hole bounce. In this view, when matter falls into a black hole, it does not get destroyed. Instead, it gets compressed to an extreme state and then expands again, creating a new region of space-time. From the inside, this expansion would look exactly like a Big Bang. In other words, the Big Bang that created our universe may not have been the beginning of everything. It may have been the inside of a black hole forming in another universe. From our perspective, we see an expanding universe that began 13.8 billion years ago. From the outside perspective, in the parent universe, it might look like a black hole forming. Both descriptions could be true at the same time. This idea leads to a stunning conclusion: our universe could be the interior of a black hole. Now let us think about the Big Bang itself. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space. It was an expansion of space. Every point expanded away from every other point. There was no center. This behavior is strange, but it matches what would happen inside a black hole if space-time were reborn on the other side of collapse. Inside a black hole, time and space switch roles. Time behaves like a direction you must move forward in, just like falling toward the center. You cannot stop it. You cannot turn around. This mirrors how time behaves in our universe. We can only move forward. Even more strange, the equations that describe black holes are mathematically similar to the equations that describe expanding universes. This symmetry is one of the main reasons scientists take the idea seriously. There is also the question of why our universe has the exact properties it does. Why does gravity have the strength it has? Why do physical constants have their specific values? Why does the universe appear finely tuned for structure and complexity? If universes are born inside black holes, then each universe may inherit slightly different physical laws from its parent universe. Over time, universes that create many black holes would produce more offspring universes. This leads to a concept called cosmological natural selection. Just like biological evolution favors traits that lead to reproduction, universes that are good at creating black holes would be more likely to create more universes. Our universe may be the result of such a process. This idea does not require intelligent design. It does not require intention. It is a natural outcome of physics. Now consider something even deeper. If our universe is inside a black hole, then the event horizon of that black hole might be what we perceive as the boundary of our observable universe. We cannot see beyond a certain distance, not because nothing exists there, but because information cannot reach us. Sound familiar? This is exactly how black holes work. There is also the mystery of dark energy, the force causing the universe's expansion to accelerate. No one knows what dark energy is. But some theories suggest it could be related to the geometry of space-time inherited from a black hole origin. Even the arrow of time may have an explanation here. Time in our universe flows in one direction from past to future. Entropy increases. Disorder grows. This arrow of time might be a direct consequence of the universe emerging from a low entropy state inside a black hole. The collapse creates extreme order, and the expansion allows disorder to grow. From this view, time did not exist before the black hole formed. Time began with the expansion inside it. This raises a profound philosophical question. If our universe is inside a black hole, then what exists outside it? Another universe. Perhaps countless universes. Each black hole in each universe could be giving birth to new universes, forming a vast cosmic family tree. Reality might be a never-ending chain of universes creating universes. No absolute beginning. No final ending. Only transformation. But can this idea be tested? That is the hardest part. We cannot look outside our universe directly. However, scientists search for indirect clues, subtle patterns in cosmic background radiation, unusual relationships between fundamental constants, or signatures in gravitational waves that might hint at a black hole origin. Some researchers believe that future theories of quantum gravity may confirm or reject this idea. Others think it may remain forever untestable, existing on the boundary between physics and philosophy. And yet, even if it can never be proven, the idea forces us to rethink our place in reality. We are not at the center of everything. We are not at the beginning of time. We may be living inside the echo of a cosmic collapse. A black hole, once thought to be the ultimate destroyer, may actually be the ultimate creator. Stars die, collapse, and give birth to universes. Universes grow, evolve, and create more black holes. And the cycle continues beyond anything we can imagine. So the next time you look at the night sky, remember this. Those distant black holes may not just be swallowing light. They may be creating entire worlds. And somewhere, in another universe, our universe might appear as nothing more than a dark, silent point in space. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this deep journey into the mysteries of the universe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Information World for more mind-blowing science and cosmic questions.